Thank you.
Okay. In the last class, we discussed the data types, right?
Yeah.
So data type clear data types. Tell me some data types. What are the data types available in C Sharp?
So I think we did the integer, string,
Uh, mm.
and we did the, I think it's um,
So data is now byte, short, int, long,
yeah,
float, double,
float,
and
yeah,
last one is a
string,
decimal.
yeah.
Decimal is the last step. Okay.
Hmm.
The decimal takes a 32 bytes memory. Okay.
Yeah,
That is the last one. Okay. Okay. You declare any variable. So you declare any property now. Must should be you declare a which
console
type.
dot write.
Yeah, which type. This is the integer or long or like that. Okay.
Yeah.
So okay. So we write a data types. This is the data types, right? Yeah, data
Hmm.
types. So these are the data type: byte, short, int, long, float, double. Okay.
Yeah.
This is the decimal is the last data type.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hmm.
Not more than that. This is the last 16 bytes memory space decimal. Okay.
Yeah.
This is the last one. Okay. If you declare value without decimal, you can choose integer or long. You okay? You with the decimal na float or double.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hmm.
Very big calculation. This is a decimal. This is
Decimal.
a decimal. So you can say only one character char.
Yeah.
Boolean
Yeah.
means Boolean means it possible to
Is it
store
true or
only
false? Hmm.
true or false. That's it. Only true or false. A string is not a group of characters. You can any characters you can say within the double quotes. Okay,
Yeah.
within the double quotes you can say the characters. So char is a single quotes, and this is a no course here, so directly you can value. Okay,
Yeah.
clear, right? These are the data types. Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
uh, I'm creating a so operators. So means tell me the some operators in C sharp in any way. What are the operators available? Operators. plus,
Operators.
plus is one operator, right?
Yeah.
Plus, what is the use of the plus? Addition, right?
Yeah. Plus is
One
the, yeah.
uh,
Yeah.
addition, subtraction. Okay.
Subtraction, multiplication, division.
Multiplication into, right, but here star is
Yeah.
a
Operation.
multiplication.
Hmm.
uh, so this is a division.
Yeah.
Division, right?
Yeah.
Okay, this is a percentile. Okay. Okay,
Yeah.
these are
Percentage
the yeah, these are the operators available in
in
any
C sharp. Yeah.
in C sharp or Java. These are the only operators in normal mathematics also. These are the operators. Okay.
Yeah.
I am writing a one method public void add. Okay.
Yeah.
So for example here int I equal to 10 and int j equal to 20. Two variables are there, right? This is the integer, right? Okay.
Yeah. Hmm.
So int res equal to, so I need addition I plus j, right?
Okay.
I
Uh-huh.
plus j. So see, I plus j means what is the I plus j value?
30. 10 plus
30.
20. Yeah.
30 will assign to
Addition.
See, first this side.
Yeah.
First right hand side. What is the I plus j value? 30, right?
Yeah.
30 will assign to RS. What is RS? This is an integer, right? Okay. Now tell me console dot write line. Console dot
Right line.
of RS. What will you print? Now tell me.
I plus j, right?
Yeah, what
30.
will 30 will print.
Yeah.
Got it, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So first, what is the I value? 10, right?
10.
What
Yeah.
is the j value? 20.
20.
Now, I plus j means 30. 30 is the, now RS value is 30. Now I print RS now. What will print? What will print? RS is 30, right? It will
Yes.
print 30.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is it. How to call this method? Na? We declare only one method. That's it, right?
Yeah.
So you calling this method, right? Where is
Mhm.
our main method is available?
It's in the
Here,
program
right?
console. Yeah.
Yeah. So you can call from here. Otherwise, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So I have written, this is also main method, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So I call this method now. Master should be create object for this class, right?
Mm-hmm.
Class name O equal to new class name. O dot add. See, when running this now, it will run or not.
Adding addition.
When run this application,
Yeah.
so execution starts from main method, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Main method available here, right? This is a one main method,
Yeah.
and
Program.
this is also main method, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Confusion start. So which main method I will call? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So you this is error message. Okay. Two main methods available. Okay.
Okay.
This main method or that main method. So
Yeah.
as of now, I put as a main one. Okay.
Main one. Yeah.
Yeah. Now, how many main methods available here?
Only one.
Only one. Where that one? That is available in the operators, right?
Operators.
This is
Yeah.
the main method, right?
Mm-hmm.
So now I am running this application now. So
Okay.
each question start from here. You got it?
Yeah. Yeah.
If you run that one now, you main
Yeah.
method. Okay.
Will come. Mm-hmm.
Uh,
So just change the main method as a put some number, right? Okay.
Change the main method. Any name. Not a main one. You put any name. So now that is not a main method, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So it will print 30, right?
Yeah.
You see, observe now. This is a 30. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Got it, right? So
Yeah, got it.
this is so I need print some is, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Put in double quotes plus. See, this is a string
String, yeah.
and append. Okay. See, in the string, some is, okay.
Yeah.
First to print some is, that is a string plus RS. What is the RS? 30. Some
Yeah.
is 30. Okay. Now I am executing. So see,
Some is
some
30.
is 30. You got it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. This is the addition. In the same way, subtraction also. Public void, okay. Subtraction. Okay. Now I minus j, right?
Yeah.
Subtraction is, now tell me what value print here? I minus j, right? Here minus, right?
Yeah.
What value print here?
So it will be -10.
Yeah, minus 10. Minus 10. Minus 10. Okay.
Yeah.
So you need to call that method also, right?
Yeah.
O dot sub. Okay. Sub is minus 10. No?
Yeah.
Multiplication, right? Multiplication. Same into I equal to
10.
into j equal to. Okay. Now
Console dot white line.
see here in the above, I declare one more third variable and assign that value and print that value, right? But here I am directly
Yeah.
I, okay. Now same. What is the I value? 20 into 100, right?
2000.
It will print, right? O dot no, I'm running now.
Yeah.
Okay, na?
Yeah.
2000. Multiplication and addition, multiplication. These are all done, right?
Yeah. So
This is a division. Division means
divide.
public
Yeah.
divide. Okay, public wide division. Int I equal to 10 int j equal to 5. Line.
Dot right line.
Now tell me what is I by j
2.
means
2.
2,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
2. Yeah. Now tell me what is the value here?
The percentage.
I modulus j.
Okay, it will be, I think, 2%, right?
See here. Okay. I by j means 2. 5 2 is a
Yeah.
5 2 is a 10, right? 2 answer.
Yeah.
I by j means 2. I modulus. This is a modulus. Okay. I modulus j means, see, what is the remainder? 5 2 is a 10. What about the remainder?
Remainder is 2.
No.
Oh, 5.
5 2 is a 10. What is the remainder?
0.
0. See, 0. Answer is 0. Remainder. See, now what is the value
1.
here? No. Now tell me, what is the value here? I by j. What is the value?
2.
No. So don't consider as points. This is an integer, right? This is
Oh,
integer, right?
okay,
So
got it. Yeah, I think it's a 1, right? You 1.
here. Now tell me I by j. What is the value for I by j?
2.
2. I modulo j.
Is 1.
Yeah, exactly. That's it. Okay.
Okay,
Now,
I got it now.
now tell me what is the value here?
So 2.
What is the value here?
4.
Yeah, exactly. Now tell me what is the value here?
Is 4.
4. What is the value here?
4.
Yeah, exactly. That's it. You got it right, difference?
Yeah.
This modulus, this is a division. This is a modulus. This is a by. I by j means 5 4 ja 20. 4 is answer. Okay. 5 4 ja 20. Whatever the remainder is 4, right? This is the modulus. That is the different. Modulus means remainder. By means our actual value.
Yeah.
Yeah, the only these operators available in any way. Okay. In mathematics, only these operators available. Okay. Plus means addition, minus means subtraction, star means multiplication. This is a division and this is a modulus. Modulus means remainder value. Okay.
Yeah.
Any questions as of now?
No.
Regarding the operators? Okay. Only those operators available. So you declare a condition. Conditions means if condition satisfy, you do this code. Otherwise, this. Okay.
Okay.
This conditions available. So
Yeah.
if
yeah.
And if comma if condition, if else condition. Okay. And if else if only these three available. Okay. If else if. Okay.
Yeah.
See, I'm writing one method public void. See, my requirement is I give a one number. Okay. I equal to some 10.
10.
See, now I is a even number or odd number?
I is a even number.
Even number. You check the condition, right?
Yeah.
Why is even number? Why this is a even number?
Because it can be multiplied.
Divisible by 2,
yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Divisible by 2, right? 10 is divisible by 2, right? The even number. See, 11. 11 is not a even number. Why? It's not divisible by 2, right?
Yeah.
See, this is not a even number. So I need to print this number is even number or not. Okay, that is our requirement. So I write a one method. Okay, int I equal to 10. So if even number na system console dot write line even. Okay.
Yeah.
If I pass 11, need to print odd. So if I is there, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So if of, okay, if of syntax, this is a if of, okay, syntax for if of condition, okay, and bracket, open bracket, this is the syntax, okay. Okay, if condition, open bracket, close bracket, this is the syntax. So if of, open bracket, close bracket, and you put a one condition here, okay.
Yeah.
I
11 or 10.
I is 10, right? If
Yeah.
even number means I divisible by 2 means,
Yeah, it's even.
now tell me which operator I can put here.
10.
No, operator, plus, minus, or which one I can put here? I by 2 means what is the value?
Division.
See, I modulus 2 means I modulus 2. What is the I value?
Remainder.
10 by 2 means what is the value? 10 by 2 means?
0.
Equal to 0 means? Console dot write line. Even, right?
Yeah.
This is a even number, right? Else, okay, that's it. See, if condition, you clear? If condition?
Yeah. If condition.
If I modulus 2 means 0.
Yeah.
10 modulus 2 equal to 0 means that is a even number, na? It will print even.
Yeah.
If I put I as 11, na? Now tell me what will print here? Nothing, right? Nothing.
Yeah.
If I 11, now 11 modulus 2 means 11 modulus 2 means
This value
what value?
1. Yeah.
1. 1 equal to 0. 1 equal to 0
is 1.
No. Yeah. I modulus 2 means what is the I modulus 2? 1, right?
1. Yeah.
1, right? 1 equal to 0, true na false? 1 equal to 0
is false.
False. Okay. False, na? The statement will won't execute. False, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now I 10. Now tell me what is the I 10 by modulus 2 means? 10 modulus 2 means
is 0.
What is the 0? 0 equal to 0. True na false?
True.
True. Go to here and print even number. Got it, right?
Yeah.
Clear, right? Whatever, if condition satisfy, then only statement will execute. Otherwise, no statement will not execute.
Yeah.
This is the syntax.
Okay.
Condition. Clear, right? If condition satisfy, then only statement will execute. This is the syntax. If open bracket and close bracket, this is the condition. This is the condition, right? Okay.
Yeah.
This entire thing is a condition. So I modulus 2 means what is the I value? 10. 10 modulus 2 means 0. 0 equal to 0 means okay.
0.
See, 1 equal to means assignment. Now what is the I value? 10.
10.
You assign 10 to I. In I. You assign 10 value in I. Okay. But here 2 equals is there, na? 2 equal to means comparison. 1 equal to means assignment. 2 equal to means comparison. See, I modulus 2 is 0, right? Up to here 0. 0 equal to 0 means both are
Both are
same.
0.
Coming to within the loop, otherwise outside the condition accepted. So I modulus 2 means 0. 0 equal to 0 means true, right?
Yeah.
So statement will execute. If I 11,
Yeah,
so
it's not gonna execute.
I modulus 2 means 1. I
1.
modulus 2, 1. 1 equal to 0 false, right?
Yeah.
This statement will execute. Okay?
Got it.
Clear, right?
Yeah.
If else, I will write one more method for if else. Okay? Same if I equal to 10 is there. Okay? If of I modulus 2 equal to 0 means
It's even.
even, right? If
Yeah.
any number divisible by 2 means that is a even number. Console dot write line of even. Okay. Otherwise,
Yeah.
else, right?
Yeah.
Else, no condition, else, and that's it. If not, yeah, otherwise, console dot write line, console dot write line, odd number. Clear, right?
Yes.
If condition satisfy, this block will execute. Don't execute else block. If
Yeah.
condition satisfy. If condition not satisfy, then only else block will execute.
Yeah.
Got it, right? If
Yeah.
I 10 modulus 2 equal to 0 means this condition satisfy, right? 0, right?
Yeah.
True, right?
It's true.
It will print even number.
Yeah.
Don't execute else block. Why? Condition satisfy, na?
Yeah.
Condition satisfy, right? Now I value is
11
come 15. So 15 modulus 2 means
is 5.
15 modulus 2. This is modulus, right?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
15 modulus 2.
1.
1. 1 equal to 0 means
1 equal to yeah.
false,
Is,
right? Not condition not
it's a 1.
satisfied. 1 equal to 0 means false, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Condition false, now this statement will won't execute, right?
It will go to the else condition.
Else, that's it. Else, what is the else now? Odd number.
Odd
It will
number.
print.
Yeah, now I got it.
Okay.
Okay.
See, do one homework now. So, for example, I give a some 10. Tell me, this is a positive number or negative number?
Positive.
Positive. Print positive. Okay.
Yeah.
I give some minus 4. This is a positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative. So I give 0. Means tell me
Is
this is
0.
0. I need like this. I give any positive number, it will print positive.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I give any negative number. Okay.
Yeah.
Minus 100. That is also negative number, right? Minus
Yeah.
1000 also negative number, right?
Yeah.
Okay. 100 is also positive number. Positive. Okay. 10,000 is also positive. 0 means 0. Got it, right? This is the
Yeah.
homework. You can do it. Okay.
Okay.
See, you declare one class, right? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
See, naming. Okay, and declare a class like naming conventions. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
No error message, but this is a wrong. Why? Class name should be start with
Name.
capital letter only. Okay.
Yeah.
Naming. And next word, consecutive word will be also in capital letter. Got it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. For example, I create one more class. Okay. Class employee details. Okay. Now tell me, this is a correct one or not?
No. E
No,
should be
you are
capital.
not following. There is no error message, but you are not following naming conventions. What is the naming convention? Class name start with capital letter. Okay, employee. And next word is what is the details, right?
Details. Yeah.
This is the capital letter. Now employee, you are following naming conventions. Okay.
Okay.
Int
Employee.
uh, this is a, for example, I declare one variable int employee number. So here no error message, but you are not following naming conventions. Why?
Yeah.
Any variable
E is not
start with
capital.
small letter. And the next word will be
Capital as a number.
capital.
Mm-hmm.
See, EMP is the one word, right? EMP is small.
Yeah.
Number is one more word, right? Capital letters. Okay. The same way, string, string, student name. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Employee name. EMPLOY. Employee name equal to, see, you are following naming convention. Employee is a small letters and next word will be capital letter. Okay, like that. Okay, now
Yeah.
you declare one method. So void is a void method 1. See, so this is, there is no syntax error. Everything is correct, but you are not following naming conventions. Why na? So method name. What about the rules for the class name? Class name start with
Capital.
and the next word will be capital letter. Right? Same
Yeah.
formula of
On the method as
method.
well. Yeah.
The method is a one word, right? Method one.
Yeah.
One. Okay. Like this. Okay.
Yeah.
Now tell me, this is a naming convention is good or not here?
Not good because you use all capital.
No, only first letter
Only
will
the
be
yeah,
capital letter and the remaining letters will be small and the next word will be again capital letters.
capital.
Okay? You are not following naming conventions. Okay.
Mhm.
METHOD method TWO. Okay. Now you are following method M1. This is also possible. Capital letters like M1. Okay.
Yeah.
Method name start with capital letter and following numbers also is possible. But one, this is not possible.
Okay. Number shouldn't be at the first.
No number at first. Here also, no number at first. No digit at first. Okay.
Yeah.
You can add digit at end also. It's possible. In here, you can add any number. It's possible. But
Okay. Not at the front.
Starting digital is not possible. Same formula for here also. Here also, it's not possible. Why? 1, 2 is a digit, right? Number,
Yeah.
right? Not possible to any class name, variable name, method name starting with not start with numeric. Start with letter only. Okay. You can add number here. End with any number. Okay.
Yeah.
That is one thing. And so int s equal to so see you add what is this one now? And right?
Yeah.
Means special character, right? This is a special character.
Special character.
Special character is not possible. But anyway, the class are anyway will accept 2 special characters. Okay.
Yeah.
Underscore is possible. Okay. Underscore is possible.
Okay.
Dollar. Underscore and dollar. Except this. No
special character.
No other special character will allow.
Okay. Only underscore and dollar sign, right?
Only underscore and dollar. Underscore and dollar. See, I put as underscore, there is no error message, right? Okay. I put as not possible. Okay.
Yeah.
Don't and is also not possible. Flag is also not. Only underscore and dollar will accept.
Even you can put in front of the word dollar sign and underscore. It's possible.
Yeah, it's possible. Only number is not possible, but you can put a dollar underscore.
We're showing red, right? When you're putting the dollar sign at the front.
See, in C# only underscore will accept. In Java,
Okay. Yeah.
underscore accept. But here only underscore. Only one character, special character underscore. That's it. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Here also you can put underscore. In class name also you put underscore. Okay.
Yeah.
Here starting also you put underscore. No issue. Okay. No
Mhm.
issue. But starting not possible to put numbers. Not possible. This one is not possible. And you can put end any. Okay.
Yeah.
Got it right? So
Yeah.
put any class name must and should be start with capital letters. Next word is also
Capital.
capital letter. You declare any property now must be start with small letter and the next word will be capital letters. Okay.
Mhm.
And method same like as a class. Okay.
Yeah.
Start with capital letter. Next word will be capital letter. Okay.
Yeah.
And number is possible here. Class also, integer also, method also. But that is ending.
Not at
Ending
the
at
front. Mhm.
not possible at front. Any digit not possible at
Front.
front. Starting with numerics is not possible. Okay. In
Yeah.
any language. Okay. And only you enter any special characters dollar underscore only accept
Yeah.
here anywhere class also method also property also anywhere na only underscore will accept dollar and star these symbols are not allowed here. Okay.
Yeah.
And see employee details, right? Gap space is also one specialty, right?
Yeah.
Space
Not possible. Yeah.
possible. This is also possible. Ostensibly, there is no gaps between the
Yeah.
class name and same for method name, variable name. Okay, no gaps. Okay,
Yeah.
the space number na is not possible. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Right. Okay, Master Ma, you practice these things na?
Yeah. I'll practice this tomorrow. So I will talk to you on Saturday, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Banket.
Yeah. Bye. Ma.
Thank you. Have a bye.
Bye.
Bye.